Hi, in this segment, we will demonstrate how to replace the filter in an Aircheck 2000 SKC monitor. What you will need is a smaller Phillips screwdriver and your filter and O-ring. On the top, you'll have the filter housing, which is secured by 3 Phillips screws. You need to loosen and remove the 3 screws. Lift off the clear housing. Now this housing will have a small, if you want to get a close-up here, a small O-ring that may need to be replaced if it's damaged. The O-ring is in good shape, so we will not have to replace that, but make sure that O-ring is in place. We also have a gasket which sits on top. Make sure that this is in place. It is not torn, damaged, contaminated. You will now need to take a pick or a small screwdriver. We have an O-ring. Lift out the old O-ring and the filter. Get your new replacement. Put the filter in first. That seats very easily. Your O-ring. Install the O-ring. You may use the old O-ring if it is not contaminated, torn, or it's in good shape. Make sure the O-ring is seated on top of your filter. You now put the old gasket back in, assuming it's in good shape. All the holes line up for the screws. Now we take the clear housing. Again, make sure your small O-ring is still in place. Set it on top. Make sure the holes align. You will now reinstall the 3 screws, housing screws. Secure the screws snugly all around. Remember, do not over torque or over tighten these screws for risk of cracking the plastic inlet housing, which will then cause leaks and throw off your flow adjustments. And that will conclude the filter replacement.